Now, the challenge I want to put to you is to make 4 alternative objects. And use 5 elements in each one. Keep them simple. This one's too complicated. I've got, but even so, I've only got 4 or so elements. I don't have very many elements. I've got the cylinder, the box, the revolution, another cylinder, the sweep, the sphere. So I think I have 7 elements there, but it's a very complicated shape. So keep the object at about 20 feet cube. It can be bigger, it can be smaller, but the goal is to have a finished object that one can hold in one's hand. We're going to make these things. And so a 20-foot dimension when scaled to 1/8 of an inch equal a foot will be 2.5 inches, right? Yeah, 2.5 inches. So consider the solids and voids carefully. Consider positive form and negative form. Some forms can be suggested vaguely, while others may be strongly defined. Design in 3D. Don't simply extrude from the ground plane. Extrude from the sides, revolve. Sometimes the void forms that are much bigger than the site can produce very interesting impacts on a small 20-foot by 20-foot cube. So you may subtract a sphere that is 100 feet by in diameter, or an elliptical sphere that is 100 feet in one length and 20 in the other, or something, and then that leaves sort of a trace on the cube. Consider a defined center or heart, a path through the object, edges and boundaries that suggest more than 5 objects. There's ways to make this very subtle and interesting. And of those 4 objects, you should have a favorite and be able to explain why that one is your favorite.